What's up, guys, and welcome one more time to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day, even in the bear market. Let me open here my other computer as always. And on the meantime, if you're new to the channel, or if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the Beach family. Like this. Remember to press the notification bell. Of course, like this, you will always be notified when we put any video out or we are live. I'm close here. Open it. Yeah, the phone. So you guys, today, as you can see, I am all by myself. I'm all by myself here, but Papa had something to do with his kids, so I took over today, and I'm gonna do the show for you. So what's now? What's going on, guys? We are still on a bear market. Let's open here. Let me open here as well, so you guys can see everything. I have some news for you. Fear and greedy today. We are still at the bottom market, and here fear and greed today, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna put even up here. 7. Fear and greedy is at 7. Extreme fear. Extreme. Okay, let's go and have a look at in the market. So the global crypto market cap is at $912.17 billion. It had an increase of 59% over the last day, but it's still under a billion. So let's go here with the winner of the last 24 hours, the gains. 16% Elrond, Helium down 12%, 12.52% up. Uniswap, 10.75%. Solana, it's starting to show up again, and it's 8% up in the last 24 hours. Tron has gone up 5%, 1inch, 7%. And then you have RE, guys. When I start to look at the prices of the token, the thing is that I don't stay much looking at the chart or prices because I don't have much liquidity on the side in order to deploy, to do my DCA, and really annoys me that I don't have that. So because I have everything allocated already in IDOs and everything that all before investments. Anyway, but still, there is some great opportunities out there. Decentraland, 4% up at 83 cents. Nice. And let's go here and see the losers. Monero, XMR at 4% down, 41% in the last 7 days, 4% the last 24 hours. Bitcoin Cash, 35% the last 7 days, and 4% in the last 24 hours. Still sitting at $113. Wow. Gate token, Decreed, Quant, they all down 2 to 3%. Cosmo down 0.72%, 24% in the last 7 days. And Gala, 23% the last 7 days, and 0.69%. Gala is one token that I am trying to DCA in. I know that Gala, the ecosystem of Gala with games are good, and people, bear in mind that nothing is financially advised, but some play to earn games on Gala is interesting to check. Ump is 209. Wow, it's 17% down. Wow, guys, there's so much opportunity here, so much. Flow, 37.15% down in the last 7 days. Wow. Okay, let's go and check some news today here. According according to Cointelegraph, Ethereum sales off resumes with ETH price risking another 25% decline in June. Ether price is forming a pennant pattern. Those profit targets comes to be near $850. So as we said before, I still believe, I'm still bearish on everything. I think that market's still gonna go down. I still think that Bitcoin is still gonna go down, probably below 15K. This is not for sure, okay, obviously, but still. And if that happens, of course, Ethereum will also drop, and they are saying here 850. Guys, great opportunities ahead. Ethereum native token ETH slumped on June 16, suggesting that its relief rally, coinciding with the Federal Reserve announcing it will hike the benchmark rate by 0.75%, is at risk. So Ether bootstrap, so be careful there if you guys are invested in ETH. Or I would say, let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's not panic. As you can see here in this, you cannot see because it's very small, but this put the next bear target for ETH price at $850, down almost 25% from today's price. And today's price, ETH, let me just check here on my other computer. Today's price, ETH, it's sitting at $1,124. So guys, do not panic. We've been saying this. Let me open here because then I can. Let's not panic sell or panic buying now. You have to be, you can DCA if you're the long-term investor, but you need to be careful. Be careful. Don't put all your eggs inside one basket, okay? So 850, what a bargain, what a bargain. Metaverse, if you are researching for new tokens or new projects or new ecosystem, maybe it's time to start to look into metaverse, because metaverse could be worth $5 trillion by 2030, is a report from McKinsey. A new report from global consulting firm found that the metaverse could be worth $5 trillion in 2030. Well, published yesterday, the 77-page report titled Value Creation in the Metaverse analyzed current adoption trends and drew additional insights from two global surveys. One gathered data from 3,104 consumers across 11 countries, while the other pulled a range of executives from 448 companies across 15 industries in 10 different countries. So this is interesting. E-commerce will be primary cash cow in the metaverse, with McKinsey predicting it should make up anywhere from 2 trillion to 2.6 trillion of all spending by 2030. Virtual advertising will be another major sector, with association revenue expected to make up another $144 billion to $206 billion. Wow. So yes, definitely metaverse is something for us to be always in the lookout. So a lot of metaverse projects, a lot of things like this, you need to be with your eyes open and ready for opportunities. But this, of course, only if you have liquidity on the side. But I mean, if you are strong hands in something that you are looking for is to invest in metaverse projects to hold up to the 2030. So we can see here that for the long term, China, we are good, guys. For the long term, we are good. And another news here on BitBoy Crypto. Well, BitBoy Crypto founder Ben Armstrong, we love here on BitBrothers channel. We love the BitBoy Crypto channel and everybody there, because actually I started my crypto journey watching BitBoy Crypto channel. It was one of my first YouTube channels that I was watching. So Ben, well done. You guys are I believe you guys are a great asset to the crypto space, to the crypto community. So Well done, you guys. You guys are awesome. Anyway, Beach Boy founder threatens class action lawsuit against Celsius. Anyway, we've seen everything that's going around Celsius lately, and things are not looking good. Beach Boy crypto founder said won't let him withdraw. Said that Celsius won't let him withdraw money from the platform without sending more money to it first. That's ridiculous. Just 2 weeks after appearing in a Ask Me Anything or with Celsius founder Alex Mashink, crypto YouTuber Ben has announced he intends to file a class action lawsuit against the leading platform and its chief executive. Armstrong made legal threat via Twitter on Wednesday and has since provided more details in multiple threads. He's issuing a certificate on being unable to pay down loans with existing funds on the platform and instead having to deposit new funds to pay the loan off. This is ridiculous. Sorry. Let's see. This is not. I thought this was Ben's email, Twitter, but it's not. Celsius is battling other insolvencies, or it's experienced severe liquidity troubles as a result of the crypto market plug. The firm paused withdrawal on Monday and also reportedly shifts around 320 million worth of assets to pay down loans and avoid liquidation on decentralized finance platforms such as Aave. One issue to a potential lawsuit, however, is if Celsius files for bankruptcy, because it will trigger a provision called automatic stay, which could prevent creditors from pursuing collection activity against the firm. And then, guys, all this goes back. Let me open here again, because all of this goes back to the not your key nor your token. That's the importance. That's the importance of be aware. And DeFi, trying to use an external, I mean, it's not like I also have money in exchange or centralized platforms, but you know that there is risk. Simple as that. It's not your key, it's not your money, it's not your token. Like something like Celsius, if they stop people from withdrawal, they pause withdrawals, you cannot take your money out and you will lose it. So you need to be very aware, very careful with this. It's ridiculous. Of course it is ridiculous. I mean, that's why Bitcoin was created in the first place, right? For DeFi, for decentralization. And still we're going after and we're trying to use centralized exchange, centralized platforms, which is okay. I have centralized, I have some money invested, some tokens on centralized exchange as well. But you need to be aware that there is risk. And if they pull the plug, you might lose your money. Hopefully not, because it would be a shame, not only for the people who have invested their money in Celsius. And I mean, if they apply for bankruptcy, I mean, it's not good for the community. It's not good for the crypto space, for everybody. Like Luna, for example. Luna collapsed and brought the whole market down with them. And now Celsius is doing this. Again, it brings too much fear, brings people to be scared to invest. It's a delay of our process of evolve as a space, as a community, because it causes FUDs everywhere, especially to the mainstream, to the people who don't yet are sure or secure within the community. So yes, I have in centralized exchange some money invested. I'm sure you have, a lot of people out there have, like Beach Boy have, and many other crypto influencers have. But we all know that there is a risk. There is a high risk of something like this happen, because not your key, not your token, unfortunately. Anyway, let's go here for another one. Crypto Rover, he tweeted about 2 hours ago, why should I sell my Bitcoins now? It's a question. Why? Why should it? So if you have a Bitcoin now, why would you sell? There is just no good reason to do so. There is indeed more downside potential, but the drawdown, it's lower than the potential upside. Just stack, set, and hold. Guys, if you are in the crypto for the long term, now is not time to sell. Not even Bitcoins. If you have, just keep it. Don't sell on a loss. Like he said here, just stack and sit and relax and hold. Strong hand. If you get too emotionally attached to the space, don't look at the chart. Switch off your computer and go have a relaxed time with your family. And then he also tweeted here, be prepared for everything. That's why I have set orders up all the way down to 16K. In case we fall down, I will catch some cheap Bitcoins. If don't fall, I am also ready. So you need to be ready. So he's ready here. If you fall, like I said before, I am very bearish and I believe Bitcoin, we might drop to below 15K. So guys, everybody's getting ready and prepared in case Bitcoins drop. So there is nothing to do. Again, you're scared, don't look at the chart. Take your time off, relax, and come back when the storm is gone. Okay, so yeah, that's what you do. What's now? You relax, you step back a little bit, you get away from the chart, but be prepared. If you still have some liquidity on the side and you want to invest in crypto, there is some amazing opportunities out there. But we will never get tired of saying, do your own research, do your homework, check the project, make sure that you are investing in legit projects, in projects that potentially can increase your gains and your access. Okay, guys, on the way out, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for today. I hope you guys had a great time. Tomorrow we have another live, me and Papa here, and I'll see you guys in the show. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Now is your time, and I'll see you guys another time. Ciao.